all of you recognize the things which I already taught in the before the vacation in the last video. So today also we get the revision of the inserting the image, hyperlink and navigation in the composer. So let's see how inserting the image, hyperlink and do the navigation in the composer. So firstly you have to start the composer. Click on the composer, start the composer. Once you get the start the composer, we will create the plaza to insert the image. So we will create the table on this menu bar. So click on this table, select the number of rows and columns. So here I am taking 3 rows and 2 columns, and merge this first row and 2 columns by selecting and dragging this, and one pop-up menu will open. And that last second option, select the join selected cells. I hope you understood how to merge these 2 columns, because we have already done so many times. So over here we will write suppose plaza and select it, give some effect, select this color, OK. Font style we can select from here, resize it, give the alignment as a center, and now we will insert the image. So to insert the image, bring down your cursor to the cell, and then in this image option click on that, open it. Now select where your image is set. So if you want to use the computer image or Microsoft Office image, go to the C drive, select the program files. Now select the Microsoft Office, then clipart, and this first option PUB. Now you can see this images are displayed. This is called the GIF or small image that will bomb ring or something like that. So we will select one image and open, and select this option, that is do not use alternate text, and then OK. Our image is inserted. Similarly in this remaining cells we are also inserting the same thing, this images, browse, select the another image, open, select the option do not use alternate text, and OK. Now third image, browse, select another one, open, do not use alternate text, OK. And last image, open, select image, open, select the option do not use alternate text, then OK. So you can see our image is inserted. Now we will create and give the hyperlink to the any of 2 images. Today we will give the hyperlink to this images first and this one second. So we will create the 2 pages by clicking on the new one and second one. So you can see there is in 3 pages. First is of the Plaza home page, and second for this our link. So copy it, select this, right click on this, copy, and you can paste over here. So our image is inserted. Now as this product or this image is that, suppose papers, so we will write the papers. What's company name? Suppose it's Navneet, and the price we will set as an 50 rupees, and number of quantity we will set suppose 15, and over here we will write this to 6 books. And save this page, click on save, write down page 2, and OK. Save it on the desktop. Now for this third page, go to the first, select any option image, click on that, copy, go to the third page, and over here you can paste it. Now suppose clock, company name, suppose Ajanta, price suppose 1500, number of quantity will set 9. Now save this page also as the name by 3. OK, on an instant desktop. Now go to this first page. Over here we will hyperlink to the second one, and this image will be hyperlinked to the third one. So click on that, right click it and create a link, or otherwise select this image and click on this link, open it, browse it to the second one. So over here you can see our second HTML or browse file is created. So click on that and open it, and then OK. Now same thing is done by this second image. Right click, you can also right click and set as and create link, or otherwise you can also click on this link option, browse it, select the third browse file or HTML file and open, and OK. So our hyperlink is created. Now we will save this first page also by save, and we will give this first and OK on the desktop. Now we will create another 2 page by ordering on this and ordering on this, so it will navigate to the 4th page. So over here we will write order now, and over here also we will get order now. Now we will create the page 4, and over here we will create the table of entering the details where we have to deliver and who is ordering place. So table, and we will select this 4x2 and enter name, and second one, that is address where to deliver, contact number, mode of payment, and for the last, merge it for the button. Join selected cells, and over here we will insert this form fill properties from the form fill and text for the text box A and OK. Similarly we will copy it, and over here we will paste it. For this contact number also we will paste the same one, and for the mode of payment we will select the radio button or selection list. So we will select for the radio button from the form fill properties, select this radio button. Group name will be same for all. Suppose we are giving M, here we will write COD and OK. We will write COD, leave some space for the second radio button, form fill properties, radio button. Group name will be same that we have given M in the previous radio button, suppose debit and OK. We will write over here debit, leave some space for the another radio button. So form fills, select this radio button, group name will be same as we have given M, and fill value will be now credit and OK. Now we will write over here credit. Now and the last, that is button, form fills, select the last option button, write down this button name and the value which is displayed on the button, that is confirm order and OK. So you can see the button and all others form fills properties is inserted. Now we will save this 4th page also. click on that, give the name 4 and OK, and save on the desktop by save. Now we will give the hyperlink to this page by page 2 and page 3. So click on this order, select this order now text, give the link to the fourth one, browse, and we will select this fourth and open, then OK. Same here for this third, but firstly we will save the second page. Save. Where you can see this red option, you have to save this page. That intimates this is our page is unsaved by this red option. Go to the third page, give the hyperlink to this order now, select it, click on this link, or you can right click on that also, browse, and select this fourth option only, because in the fourth page we have created the table for the order procedure. Open it and OK. So our link is created. As I already right now I told that a red button shows this unsaved page, so firstly we will save this third page also. Now on this fourth page we have already given this link to the third and second. So now when the users click on this confirm order, they give this successful message. So lastly we will create the fifth page by confirmation order. Your order is placed. Select it, give them some effect. OK. Select the font style, increase it. You can give the bold, italic, underline effect or give the alignments. Now we will save our page. So click on that and we will give this page 5 and on the desktop. Now over here we will give this button hyperlink to navigate to the fifth page. So right click on this button, right click it is on the button and click on this create link option, browse button, and select this page 5 and then open. OK. Now this is also we have made the changes on the fourth page, so it's intimated by the red. So save it first. Now we want to set the background, so click on that and select this format, select this page colors and background, browse it, select from your PC. So this images will contain the small images, so it will not display in the background. So we will select our some images. So from this desktop, pictures, now select any one picture, open and OK. So you can see our background is set. Similarly, if you want to set in the another page also, so go into the format, select the background, select it, select any one image and open. OK. If you want to give in another, then format, page colors and background, open, select one image and open. OK. Now if you want to give some color, so go and third and fourth, format, page color and background, select the customer color option, background, and select your color. OK. And again OK. Now same thing we have done to the fourth page also, format, page color and background, use customize color, background, and we will select over here color and OK. OK. So you can see the page colors and all backgrounds is setted. So over here we have made the changes in the all pages. So one by one we will save the all pages. So first we will save the fifth, then fourth, then third one. So save all the pages one by one. Now all the pages are saved. So now we will browse it. So browse, it will automatically open in the browser. As you can see, our plaza is open. So we have given the link in these two images. So click on any one image, it will navigate to that page. So as we have clicked it navigate to this page. Now if you want to order it, then order now, it will navigate to the fourth page. Now give your information and select this option or debit, it will unselected COD. It has to be unselected, otherwise it is invalid. And then confirm, it navigate to the fifth page, that is your order is placed. If you want this, click on the second, there's the same thing, order, same, and confirm order. Clear? So this is how we will create our plazas in the Composer by inserting the image, hyperlink, and this navigation process. So students, I hope you recognize these things which we have done previous videos and before the vacation. So it is a revision of this. So I hope you understood. So till that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.